So this is section 1.4, Equations and Inequalities. When we finish this lesson, I want to make sure you understand the vocabulary that's associated with the lesson, and I also want you to be able to determine if a number is a solution to an equation or an inequality. So first let's talk about the terminology. So when we talk about an equation has an equal sign between two expressions. So an example of that would be 3x plus 1 is equal to 7, because you have two expressions that are separated by an equal sign. Now let's talk about a solution. When we talk about a solution, a number is a solution if when the variable is replaced with the number, the resulting statement is true. So let's take a look at that. Now let's suppose we have the equation, because it has an equal sign, 4x minus 2 is equal to 10. And we want to check to see if 3, 4, and 5 are solutions. So let's start off with 3. So everywhere I have x, I'm going to plug in 3. So I have 4 times 3 minus 2 is equal to 10. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 2. Okay, what's 12 minus 2? 10. Is 10 equal to 10? Yes, so this is a solution. Let's try the next one. See, now we have 4. So now we have 4 times 4 minus 2. We want to see if that's equal to 10. 4 times 4 is 16. So if 16 minus 2 is equal to 10, 16 minus 2 is 14. Is 14 equal to 10? No, so now I have no solution. So my result here is true. 14 is not equal to 10, so that's not a true statement, so there is no solution. Now let's try 5. So I have 4 times 5 minus 2 is equal to 10. 20 minus 2 is equal to 10. So hopefully you're noticing the pattern here. And now we have 18 is equal to 10. Is 18 equal to 10? No, so once again we have no solution. So as our x value gets larger, this result over here gets larger. So there's really no chance of it equaling 10. Now let's talk about inequalities for a minute. Inequalities are formed when an inequality symbol, these guys right here, are placed between two expressions. So remember, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to are the inequality symbols that we're going to be working with. So now I want you to decide if 4 is a solution of the following. So for this one we have 2x minus 1 is less than 8. So everywhere I have x, I'm going to plug in 4. So now I have 2 times 4 minus 1, and I want to see if that's less than 8. 2 times 4 is 8, minus 1 is less than 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Is 7 less than 8? Yes, so that's a solution. Now I want you to pause the video, and I want you to work the next one and tell me if x plus 4 is greater than 9, if 4 is a solution for that inequality. Okay, so for the next one, you have 4 plus 4 is greater than 9. 4 plus 4 is 8. Is 8 larger than 9? No, so this is not a solution. 4 is not a solution for this one. Now let's check the next one. So now I have, remember my x value is 4, so I have 4 minus 3 is greater than or equal to 1. 4 minus 3 gives me 1. Is 1 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. So 4 is a solution for the first one and the last one, but not the middle one over here. Now notice when I'm dealing with an inequality, there are a lot of numbers that could potentially be a solution. But when we looked at these, there was only one number that was a solution. There's only one way that I can get 10. So be aware of that. When you have an inequality, a lot of times there's more than one solution. And that's all for now.